Welcome back to the Evan Phillips Show, guys. And today we're going to be talking about holiday spending and some things you can do to make sure that you don't overspend during the holidays, and just some tips that we've talked about in the past to remind you about. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you just heard, Christmas time is upon us. There's a lot of people that are going to be spending, sometimes outside of their typical spending range, and this is when your habits really tend to show what you're really made of. So here are a few tips that you can use during the holidays to try and make sure you don't accumulate debt. Number one, now a lot of people say avoid credit card debt, right? And I agree, you don't want to go in debt with credit cards. But just because you use a credit card doesn't mean you need to go into debt, guys. Remember, you can still use a credit card and use it to your advantage. For example, Amazon has, I think, a $100 gift card that they're doing right now. It may or may not be expired, but they were doing a $100 bonus offer with an additional 10% off. This is a great way to take advantage of your good credit that you've been working for and making sure you're paying off those credit card debts. So definitely take advantage of an offer like this if it's something that's available and it's from a source that you can use to purchase things like Christmas gifts and earn some cash back during the process. Now, another thing that you guys want to remember is budget. So I'm going to put the budget calculator back in the description of this video. I've talked about it in prior videos. You still want to make sure you're within your budgets and you're not overspending. Remember, you're spending the same money that's in your checking account, and then you're basically just paying it off. So you're going to basically use your credit card for whatever amount that you would typically spend during the holidays for whatever your budget allows, and then you're going to pay that right back off and take advantage of those offers. So make sure you continue to look for good deals with your great credit that you've been working for, and make sure you're staying within your means for your budget. During the holidays, it can be easy to kind of forget the hard work you've been doing on your credit and saving, because this is the time you spend. But I would remind you, just really be cognizant of the rules that you've already set for yourself and the boundaries and the limits. We all have weak spots, right? For some people, I know what it is. It's Amazon. So yes, just try to monitor yourself, make sure you're staying with your means. Yes, don't be so tied up with saving that you don't enjoy the holidays and spend time with your families and create moments and beautiful gifts for your family that they'll remember for a lifetime. So you can still use credit, you can still budget and have a happy holiday and enjoy the fruits of your labor. All right, guys, so now to the offer, right? So I'm in the Christmas spirit and I'm feeling like I should be giving. So I am doing a $50 giveaway to the first person who comments on 3 of my videos about something that they learned in that video. So whoever comments first on 3 videos on something that they took away or that they learned in the comments, I will announce the winner on the next video, and I will send you a $50 Amazon credit that you can use for whatever you want. So I look forward to the first person who's going to do that. I will announce that person. I want to do this before Christmas, so the sooner the better. Whoever does that, I will go ahead and communicate with you directly, and we'll get that $50 Amazon gift card to you. Well, I hope that you guys are enjoying this time of year and you're sticking to your budgets, you're sticking to your guns about what you're going to do with your credit. And going into the new year, I hope this is a great new year for you guys and that you are able to get to the place of financial freedom and learn exactly how to manage your finances in a way that's healthy for you and your family. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I do have some more content coming out. It's just been a very, very, very busy month with everything that's going on. So I look forward to seeing you guys in our next videos. Merry Christmas. And as always, guys, thank you for joining me in this episode of the Evan Phillips Show. You guys have a Merry Christmas.